Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can pair BOSE SoundLink Mini wireless speaker with any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, you need to grab your speaker and then click and hold this power button.
Enter to Bluetooth.
Right now you can release when indicators are blinking. It means that we are in the pairing mode. So on our iOS device, we have to select the settings, and from the menu we have to navigate to the Bluetooth, then simply turn it on. And now just select BOSE SoundLink Mini. That's the SoundLink.
Bluetooth connected.
That's actually incorrect name for some reason. But as you can see right now, we successfully set up the Bluetooth connection between our iPhone. In this case, I'm using the iPhone XR and the BOSE SoundLink Mini speaker. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.